go for a ride?
This is Roo Bear for the first time in her new booster seat. There's Marty.
She's gonna come and get you. She's gonna come and get you.
Let's stop her for a second so I make her smile. You gonna talk to the camera? Oh, big smile.
Ruby shoes. What's she doing when I push it?
Like, I think that's what the swing's for, Mommy. I think that's what the swing's for.
I think you like sitting like this. Yeah. You feel like a big girl, don't you? You are a big girl. You're 9.5 pounds. That's a big girl.
But
Just
she's
a big
10
girl.
by
You're
now.
10 pounds. No. 9 3/4. 9 3/4. I'm going to get my phone and take a picture. Oh boy.